Hey there, my name's Laura Ashton and I am so excited that you decided to enroll in my online watercolor school. During this course, I'm going to teach you everything from basic washes, color mixing, how to paint different types of leaves, different flower shapes, and finally painting a full botanical painting as a final project. By the end of this course, you're going to be in the best place possible to apply these skills to your own botanical paintings from things that inspire you in nature and gardens. My time-saving techniques are going to help you create a botanical painting in far less time than a traditional botanical painting would take. This is going to allow you to fit your creative practice into your busy life schedule.